Technology giant Google has announced the 12th Pixel feature. Released on the first Monday of every month, this is the year's last Pixel feature drop. But Google claims that it is their biggest one to date and a first for Google Pixel Watch. The new features will be available to Pixel 4 for the latest Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, as well as the Pixel Watch. Let's take a look. VPN by Google One comes to Pixel 7 series. Google has now added Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro to the VPN by Google One list at no extra cost. VPN by Google One offers privacy and safety while being online and ensures network traffic is not tied to the user's identity. New unified security and privacy settings. Pixel device users will now be able to review security and privacy settings, risk levels, and other information all in one place. The new feature will make it easy to protect their smartphones, accounts and passwords. This includes new action cards that notify you of any security risks and give you easy steps to enhance your privacy and security. Improved calling on Pixel phones. Google has introduced clear calling for Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro to enhance the other caller's voice and reduce their background noise. With the Pixel's recorder, users will be able to record and transcribe a conversation in English with a Pixel 6 or newer. The recorder can also identify and label each speaker and insert line breaks when the speaker changes. Users can also record an interview, meeting, lecture, or conversation with each person labeled individually. This feature uses machine learning to process speaker labeling live and on device, so you can watch it work as you record. Fitbit Sleep Profile comes to Pixel Watch. Fitbit Sleep Profile is now available on Pixel Watch. It will help users learn about their sleep and what sleeping style means, along with tips for better rest. The feature takes into account 10 different aspects of sleep including duration, bedtime consistency and disruption to depict your patterns with one of 6 sleep animals. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.